currently 1 in the morning and we're gonna start our hair now because why would we start it at a reasonable time? That's not how we do it. We're gonna be trying to do French curl braids. Hopefully it doesn't look bad because we have something special in store for you guys and we're gonna go see somebody special. So I really don't want to look ridiculous when we go see this person, okay? So let's get into it. Let me show you guys the hair that I got. I just got the French curl braid hair. I have 3 of these packs. This is in the color 27, so it's basically like a honey blondish. What I'm gonna do to make this process easier is that I am going to be using the same parts I already have in my hair. I know what you're thinking. Night, ain't you gonna wash your hair? No, I'm sorry. I'm not washing my hair. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I don't got the time. I really don't. With the French curl braids, you don't dip these in water. These come ready to go. My advice for y'all, sit back, relax, enjoy watching me hopefully succeeding in this hairstyle. And if I succeed, hopefully what I do is able to give you guys some guidance on how to do this for yourselves. Because, you know, it's hard out here for a pimp. Okay, so you wrap it around, and then I grab it with these two, and then knot. Okay, and the knot undid itself. This is what it looks like. This is what the knot looks like.
Day 2.
It's 5 in the morning. This is all I have done. It's sad. It ain't right. This is what they look like at the ends. Good morning. It is currently 11:52. I woke up and now we're going to continue where we left off. This is gonna go great. We're gonna do great. I will keep you guys updated. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're starting to unravel. So I'm gonna grab the elastics. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I'll come back to you guys when I have a bit more done. Update. We are getting somewhere. Like this is looking nice. It is 2:22 the next day. Here's the update. It's 7:23.
3 days later.
I'll come back to you guys when I'm fully done. Because this is taking... It's 9:23, 2 days later. Like, we have a good chunk to go still. But I'll come back to you guys when I'm fully done because this is ridiculous. I think a study needs to be made on why it's taking me so long to do my own hair.
Much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
It's done! Finally done my braids. It only took me, you know, 3 days, but what's new? You know what I mean, Cairo? What's new? Huh? What's good? Dap it up. Dap it up. Okay, anyway guys, it is giving what it needs to give. It's just, it's amazing. That is it for today's video. It took me 3 days to film, but we finally did it. And I want to say honestly that this is a success. Like, for the first time trying this style, this is amazing. I will let you guys know about the upkeep for like the ends and if they ever cause me any issues. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you guys next week.